I'm sure you're familiar with what this is, right?
Yes.
I'm sure Nabiki's familiar with it too. This is the American dollar bill. Okay, hold that. This is the Australian dollar, or should I say, you guys call them dollar bills, right? But we call them notes. We just simply call them notes. This is the Australian dollar note.
Ooh, look at the colors.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah. Looks like a peso almost.
Feel it, feel it.
So much
Whoa.
more interesting than ours.
It's like lacquered.
It's plastic. It's plastic, basically.
Plastic.
Yeah, rather than using paper. You see, paper it's too easy to counterfeit, right? They used to use paper notes in Australia, but then they switched over to using this plastic. I think that was in the early 90s or the late 80s. I forget which, but basically they switched over to plastic. And if you look, they have this little clear section you can actually see through.
Oh yeah.
That's like the anti-counterfeiting area. Some people, when they try to make counterfeits, they just like cut a hole and they just paste it on or whatever. It's easy to tell. So yeah. So I'm surprised no one else. Yeah.
I've never seen.
That's my money. Yeah, basically that's what the Australian dollar note looks like. They all come in different colours too. You see, like this one is blue. The $50 note is yellow.
Mm-hmm.
The $5 note is pink, I believe. The 20 is red.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and the 100.
It's like Monopoly money.
Yeah, and 100. I'm not sure. It's either grey or green. I forget.
It's green.
It's green. That's probably the only. That's the only note that we have that is green. Yeah.